All right, let's simplify this expression together. Now we have 3 plus 5 on x plus 2 on 3 minus 10 on x plus 7 equals to 0.5. Okay, now let's represent the numerator by a variable. So let a, capital A, be 3 plus 5 on x plus 2. Okay, so let's solve for that. And from here, we have 3 on 1 plus 5 on x plus 2. So the LCM will be x plus 2. 1 into this is x plus 2 times 3, x plus 2 times 3 plus. So x plus 2 in this is 1 times 5 is 5. So we have 3x plus 6 plus 5 on x plus 2. So that will be 3x plus 11 on x plus 2. So we have a as 3x plus 11 on x plus 2. So that is a. So let's look at the denominator. Let's represent it by b. So 3 minus, so we have b equals to 3 minus 10 on x plus 7. So from there, 3 on 1 minus 10 on x plus 7. Let's confirm, be sure of it. So the LCM will be x plus 7. 1 to that is x plus 7 times 3, x plus 7. Okay, minus, so this one to this 1 time, so minus 10. That will be 3x plus 21 minus 10 on x plus 7. So we have 3x plus 11 on x plus 7. Now let's recall. Now let's recall from here. We have a over b. A over b equals to 0.5. Okay. Now from here, we have a on b equals to 0.5, the same as 5 on 10, that is half. So we can say that twice of a is the same as b. So 2 times a gives us b. But what is a? So we have a as 3x plus 11, 3x plus 11, x plus 2. 3x plus 11 on x plus 2. So, okay, let's suspend this one for now and then keep this one as we bring back a and b. Maybe they will cancel out. So x plus x plus 2. Then we have 3x plus 11, x plus 7. X plus 7 equals to half. Okay, let's give this one here. Now we are still using this, so now don't forget that this one is the same as a divided by b, so we can say 3x plus 11 x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 11 on x plus 7 equals to half. So we can say 3x plus 11 on x plus 2 times x plus 7 on 3x plus 11 equals half. All right, so we can reduce them. This one will cancel this. I'll be left with x plus 7, x plus 2, equals to half. So from here, you can do cross multiplication. That will be 2 times x plus 7, 1 times x plus 2, that is x plus 2. So we have 2x plus 14 equals to x plus 2. So we have 2x minus x equals to 2 minus 14. So we have x equals to minus 12. That's the answer. All right, so that's that.